Gossips, trending, viral content, celebrity lifestyle. Welcome to
Dressing past dressing, oh hey, different kinds of dressings are here. Oh, come and see how your favorite celebrities, both male and female, turned up for Funke Akindele's new movie called A Tribe Called Judah. Ichoko, Ichok. Anyways, let's dive into it. But before that, let me officially welcome you guys back again to my YouTube channel. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly GISTLOVER YouTube. Thank you for tuning in and watching. And to my wonderful returnee and beautiful subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for your massive support and always watching. That being said, let's go there. This one is coming from Funke Akindele herself, the producer of A Tribe Called Judah. Isn't this her outfit so beautiful? She's looking so gorgeous. This was not the only outfit she wore yesterday, guys. She wore another one, and I guess I'm loving it. I love it.
Different men. Yes, and I'm proud of my boys. They are Jedida's 5 boys. Judas. You want to attack me? No, sir. Are you a good? Not very boy like you. Don't know that you use long. Is this mop you're carrying on your head that is blocking your ear?
This one is from Etinosa Omo, who is her designer. Who is her fashion designer? This one, she won't cover the whole place with A Tribe Called Judah. Anyways, isn't that beautiful? Of course, what she wanted was people to talk about her, and I think she grabbed people's attention. Am I lying? Share your thoughts in the comment section.
Never going to be a party to this. Count me out. If Mama dies because you decide to be a coward, you killed her. Her life is in your hands. I mean, let's do this.
This one is coming from the real Abeg. If I pronounce it very well, let me know. If I did not pronounce it very well, pardon me. Look at his outfit, oh, Abishim outfit. Sorry, oh. I don't know why some people are criticizing this Phyna's outfit. Wonder Woman. Let me not just say much, sha. Guys, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Who is he that she came with? Her boyfriend? Man friend? Fiance? It is well, oh. And the corset is really corseting. Is her discomfort for me, oh. People that are criticizing this her outfit, have they seen Funke Akindele's second outfit? This is A Tribe Called Judah, and the inspiration behind this outfit, I guess, from Egyptians. Okay, people criticizing this outfit. So I look at Funke Akindele's second outfit. Can you see Omo? You see the fashion designer. She tried to this now clothes be this so wait for her back. Oh, no believe it's not leave. Now clothes, guys. Can you see? Hey, people get handwork for this life, oh, but it's really given. I love it. Now, see Kiki's own. It seems Kiki got her own inspiration from Funke Akindele. All of them are wearing I can fly, I can fly. It's given I want to fly to heaven kind of vibe, but it's good. It's looking lovely. I mean, the color is so loving. It's more people get handwork for this life, oh, honestly. Hey, Spider-Man, come and carry us and take us away from this hard economy. It is really joke. See this one again. I thought that it was only Funke Akindele and Kiki that wanted to fly. This one is giving us that I can fly vibe again. I beg, what is the name of those people that quench fire, like anywhere there is a fire outbreak, those people that comes there at the scene and off the lights with their fire extinguisher? This man is really giving us that vibe, Omo, she Funke Akindele carry fire go the venue that this one dressed in this kind of regalia. Guys, Biko, help us rate his dressing. Oh, on a scale of 1 to 10, what will you rate him? Which number will you rate him? He even carried his own fire extinguisher. It is okay, not fire extinguisher. I think a bag. I think something like that. It is See, you see this papaya dressing. Forget this one. A statement. I love it. I love the vibe. I love the hair. I don't know about you. You know, everybody with their own choices. Everybody with their own our more see her 360. Ichoko. Hey, let us know the most. Almost see the nails self. See the nails. He's given no papaya for a reason. Almost see James Brown. James Brown carried his sister. He took his sister along. Oh, let me see her own dress. I am Grace Brown. It is well. I beg, which vibe is he giving us? Like, hey, James C. See his koi shoe. Koi shoe is koi. Who is this one that he's hugging? All of them are looking beautiful and handsome in their own different ways. Oh, but you see, the next one, people have been criticizing them. Hey, talking down on their dressing. No other people than Mr. and Mrs. Ikoyi in the building. You see these Sheiks and Bella, people have been criticizing, especially this Bella's dressing. He should know where to wear each of his outfits to. Like, this their dressing doesn't fit this occasion. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, rate their outfits. This is Uti Nwachukwu himself. Omo, is the music playing in the background for me? Oh? Now you know. Ebelebe gebu ayagaya. Yigi ayagaya. Ngwongwo ayagaya. By no other person than Mr. Flavor himself. Ijele. It is well, oh guys. Rate this his outfit on a scale of 1 to 10. It's giving me that shrine, that reddish, that Ogwego vibe, that let's go and make the money vibe. He choke. No kind of dressing you don't see here. Oh. I don't know why I always forget this guy's name, but his dressing is simple and nice. If you know his name, if you remember his name, guys, you can always help me out in the comment section. That's the post for me. I will never be poor. Money speaking, everything flashing. Clear road for the prince of the event, Mr. Macaroni himself. Simple but nice. Oh, I love this his outfit. Black is always beautiful.
So we outside with. Can you ask for us? Can you ask for us? Ask for us.
Ini Edo is giving us that rich auntie vibe. She's beautiful. Ow, ow, ow. Money good oh. This life make money. Nobody ugly oh. Child, na money sabi insult person oh, but Iniedo has always been a very beautiful lady. Money can't touch her. She can't come out for beauty, come enter. Pretty, prim. This one is coming from Moet herself. You see the way I use that orange cover her orange, even though the orange is not covering the orange very well. He joke with this her touch heaven cap. I must see God. It is well. Guys, can you rate her on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comment section? This one is coming from our new artist that sang Umbrella. I am Nas Boy. He did not only honor his invitation, he also performed at Funke Akindele's events. That's wonderful. Look at him dancing to his music. He's okay now. He's all right. Promo.
Hey people, I tell you what, with my over close to 30 years or more experience in Nollywood, I just watched the most amazing movie ever. I think I can give. In fact, decided on my own after the premiere today that I'm going to have a watch party for Funke. And I'm going to take a few people out. It's going to be my Christmas gift to them to see a beautiful movie. It's in the cinemas from the 16th. Guys, don't miss it. Don't even miss it for anything. A Tribe Called Judah, that is a Tribe Called Judah. And for all the firstborns, you will be happy. And if you're a mother making a lot of sacrifices for your children, this movie is yours, I swear. Look, this is it. I tell you, this is it. A Tribe Called Judah. Not play.
Angel bbnaija carry relationship enter a Tribe Called Judah movie premiere. Una see the lovey-dovey, una see the merengue, and Mercy took Jennifer Lopez jealous dressing. Some people said she made a statement. Some people said her dressing is top notch. They love it. Why some set of people also criticize her dressing that it doesn't fit this event? I don't know. More people must have opinion. No, people must talk. Anyways, on a scale of 1 to 10, guys, rate Mercy AK's outfit. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a massive thumbs up, and remember to smash on your red subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell to always get notified anytime I drop new video or videos. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my sweet, returning, and beautiful, wonderful subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for your massive support and always watching. Bye bye for now, as I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Kemi. Bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.